Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. In today's lesson, we'll be covering a topic on the support and resistance, and especially about the support and resistance zones, which are also known as the key level zones. All right. So in this lesson here today, I'll be talking about, while drawing the support and resistance lines, why it is very important to look at different time frames and draw the lines from different time frames. So here, just for an example, I'm talking about 60-minute and daily time frame chart. So if I'm just looking at this chart in the 60-minute time frames, all right, then for me the most important line here is this one for the current market. Most important support line will be this one for the current market. And let me tell you about all these lines. These green lines are coming from the daily time frames, all right, and these red lines are from the 60-minute time frames itself. Okay, so this is a channel. Basically, I've been tracking this channel. So some other day will be talking about how I've drawn this channel and why I've taken this line and how I've got these lines and what are the importance in that. But for today's session, I just want to talk about this line and this line. That's it. Right. So in the current market, I've been tracking this support line here and looking at the 60-minute time frames. For me, this level 597.6 it's 597 level. 597 level is more important support than this level, 591 level. All right, now 597 is more important for me because I can see more order flows are happening right over there. The order flows happening here, false break here, then again here, then again here, then again price pushes up and coming back down to the same level here, and then price coming back down again, give a push over here. So I can see more order flows happening in this 597 areas than the 591 this area. All right, so just by looking at 60-minute time frames and just looking at the more order flows where the order flows are happening most of the time, I feel like 597 is my support level, and so I have drawn this level here. Okay, so if I'm not looking at the daily time frame, so in that case for me I would not have drawn this level, here, this point, because I don't see much order flows over there. All right, so if I would not have seen the daily time frames, then I would not have considered 591 level, and I would be considering this 597. And right now, so let's see, for a time being I have not seen the daily time frames, and so I don't have this level drawn on my chart here. All right, and I just have this 597 level drawn on my chart. And so since we are right now hitting the support levels for multiple times here, and overall I can see the price is really building up lower highs here. All right, so somehow we are creating triangle formations. I mean, somehow this is one of the formations we follow where we look for the breakouts. And we look for a breakout when a key support level breaks. I mean, we look for something when the key level of support is broken, and then if we find it, then we can go ahead with the trade over there. So right now, if I don't have this level, then I am tracking this level to be broken, and I am looking for my breakout formations to happen over this area here. All right. So now, when I go to the daily time frame, look at this. This green line comes from the daily time frames. Do we see the same thing what was happening in 60-minute time frames happening right over here also? You can see multiple order flows happening on the 591 level, isn't it? Yeah, but these order flows are not really seen on the 60-minute time frames for these many times, isn't it? So I have drawn this level, and I'm considering this level as a key support level too. All right, so let me go down to the 60-minute time frame. Okay, now in the 60-minute time frames, looking at this point, I was feeling like, okay, this is not a key level to consider since there is no much order flows. But when I saw the daily time frame, my viewpoint entirely changed, isn't it? So now I'm considering this 590 level also as a key support level. So the 597 from the 60-minute time frames, I'm taking 591 level on the daily time frames, and I'm creating a support zone here. And now I am saying till the time price is not showing me some breakdown patterns below this support zone, I'm not going to sell it. Alright, wherein before seeing this 591 level of support from the daily time frames, just looking at the 60-minute time frames, I was considering this 597 and I was looking for a breakdown signal right over here. But now looking at the daily time frames, my viewpoint changed, and now I'm saying, okay, I need to see the breakdown below this support zone or around these support zones. So this is how the analysis entirely differs. So this is how I have seen myself and many of the traders who just see one particular time frames and draw the levels and trade along with it. And because of that, sometimes your plan is good, your trading is good, everything is nice, but just because you missed a key level from some other time frames and that key level really matters, your trade goes against you. So I hope that this lesson will help you to look at the charts in a better way for you, and draw your support and resistance levels and key zones in a perfect way, in a better way, and it will help you to place a better stop loss with a better targets. Thank you so much guys for your time. I'll see you guys on the next lesson. Thank you.